was taking a little video before the snow apocalypse comes, just in case my flowers get killed by the heavy 6 inches of snow we're supposed to get. Oh, I love them. I'm gonna try to build something over them so they don't get pressed down to the ground again. Oh, this is as close as my camera will go to the moon. Oh, I love that. Oh, that's very bouncy. Stop moving. Oh, yeah, that looks awesome. Now I'm dizzy. This time of night, the sun's getting ready to set. So we can see my trees. Really pretty. There they are. No deer yet. They won't come until after the sun sets. And they won't stop being girl dogs in heat. Anywho, I'll make another video after the snow stops. Tomorrow evening, I think. Yeah, got a lot of lines in the sky. Okay, I'll talk to you later.